People move all the time for all sorts of reasons. In that process, you need to make sure you get services transferred. One of the things you should keep in mind is whether you're moving within a state or between states. We're commonly asked, can I move a renter's insurance policy to a new state? I'm Eric from Effective Coverage. Let's discuss moving your insurance coverage from one state to the other. Insurance is regulated at the state level, but policies are written for national use. How are state laws reconciled with a standardized insurance policy designed to be used everywhere? Through something called an HO 300 endorsement, or special provisions. Every renter's insurance policy issued within a particular state will have the appropriate special provisions endorsement for that state. As an example, here's what the California endorsement does. It redefines spouse to include registered domestic partner of the named insured. It also defines the word wildfire. A California endorsement will also clarify the definition of actual cash value, and it even restricts ordinance or law coverage from covering ordinances which have changed as a direct result of an earthquake. It even clarifies the definition of earth movement, which is especially important for California policies. It even provides coverage to government employees and members of the military for government property in their possession and control under the personal property coverage of a renter's insurance policy. There's actually quite a bit more to the endorsement, but those are some of the high-level points, and each state has a similar endorsement making a varied change to that policy. A California renter's insurance policy cannot be moved to Colorado. Because of that, and because the rules for rating variables and prices vary greatly across the country. California renter's insurance doesn't use insurance scores, for instance, but a Colorado renter's insurance policy might. What you can do, however, is work with a nationwide renter's insurance provider like Effective Coverage. A national provider can rewrite your policy in your new state, transfer the funds to the new policy, and answer all of your questions about the differences between the policies. Generally, the coverage on the new policy will mirror the coverage on the old policy, subject to those state provisions and any other specific clauses associated with that state. Now, if you're new here and want more tips on renter's insurance coverage and how to get the very best price, subscribe to the Effective Coverage YouTube channel. And just don't forget that you can get renter's insurance from the only exclusive provider of insurance for renters at effectivecoverage.com, or by giving us a call and speaking with one of our insurance experts. Thank you for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.